Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotive Crewe. Today I'm delighted to present the Seat Leon 1.5 TSI EVO SE, finished in elegant black and powered by 1.5 liter petrol engine delivering 130 PS and paired with smooth manual transmission. The Seat Leon blends everyday practicality with fun to drive character. At the front, the halogen headlights with integrated LED daytime running lights offer clarity and visibility, while body-colored door mirrors with LED indicators and chromed frame grille give the front tidy and confident look. The 16-inch alloys strike a nice balance of comfort and style. Around the back, the design remains clean and purposeful with body-colored detailing and discreet hidden exhaust. The boot offers great usability, complete with cargo rings, boot storage net, and split folding rear seat configuration for added versatility. In the back, passengers benefit from adjustable headrest, ISOFIX mounts, and generous legroom, all finished in the SE dark grey and ice metal trim for stylish and understated interior. Up front, the driver enjoys height adjustable seat with lumbar support, front comfort seat design, and soft cloth upholstery. The leather multifunction steering wheel puts cruise control, phone and media at your fingertips, and the instrument cluster includes trip computer, gear shift indicator and driver assistant menus to keep you well informed. You get a air conditioning system which is fitted as standard, offering cool relief on summer drives and quick demisting on cooler mornings. And just above, you'll find the touchscreen for the Media System Plus, which delivers quality radio playback with intuitive controls. It also includes USB and smartphone compatibility, keeping your audio essentials close. You also get Bluetooth for easy hands-free calling and music streaming on the go, and directions and mapping, which are accessible through your connected device via Seat Full Link. You also have access to car menu, allowing you to access vehicle information and adjust settings with ease, as well as full smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Mirror Link. This has been a presentation of the Seat Leon 1.5 TSI EVO SE. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.